Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we deep dive into the specs, performance, and value of tech products you care about. Today, we're bringing you what we believe is the best Monoblock 2000W amplifier currently on the market, the ZE1000.1 car audio amplifier. If you're serious about your car audio setup and you're in the market for pure, undistorted power to fuel your subwoofers, then this is the amp you've been waiting for. The ZE1000.1 delivers up to 2000 watts of power, utilizing a monoblock Class D design, which means it's not only powerful but also highly efficient. You're getting more volume, more punch, and better control over your bass, without draining your car's battery or sacrificing performance due to heat buildup. One of the standout features of this amplifier is its MOSFET power supply. This ensures reliable performance and efficient power delivery to your subwoofer, even under heavy loads. It's the type of tech you typically see in more expensive models, but ZE1000.1 manages to pack it in at a price that's surprisingly budget-friendly. Now let's talk versatility. This amp is 1 to 4 ohm stable. That gives you a lot of flexibility when wiring your subwoofers. Whether you're working with a single sub or a dual setup, the ZE1000.1 handles it without breaking a sweat. It automatically adjusts to your configuration, ensuring consistent and safe power output. When it comes to sound tuning, this amplifier also shines. It features a built-in low-pass crossover, which lets you filter out unwanted high frequencies and send only the deep bass to your subwoofer. That gives you cleaner, more impactful bass without distortion or muddiness. It's the kind of detail that takes your car audio from decent to exceptional. Design-wise, the unit is compact but rugged. It has a brushed metal finish that doesn't just look good, it's also resistant to scratches and heat. The terminals are solid, secure, and clearly labeled, making installation straightforward even if you're doing it yourself. And despite being a powerful amp, its Class D architecture means it runs cooler and more efficiently than traditional Class A/B amplifiers. This amp isn't just about raw power, it's about smart power. The internal circuitry is protected against overheating, overloading, and short-circuiting. That gives you peace of mind when you're pushing your audio system to its limits on long drives or during those bass-heavy tracks that really hit. If you're building a system where bass clarity and punch matter, whether it's hip-hop, EDM, or rock, you'll appreciate how clean the output is. It doesn't just rattle your windows. It delivers bass with depth, accuracy, and authority. And if you're an audiophile on a budget, the ZE1000.1 is one of the best ways to elevate your setup without emptying your wallet. In conclusion, the car audio amplifier ZE1000.1 is more than just a 2000W powerhouse. It's a thoughtfully engineered, flexible, and efficient unit that brings serious value to anyone looking to enhance their car's subwoofer performance. From its MOSFET power supply and low-pass crossover to its compact yet robust build, this is a product that delivers exactly what it promises: clean, powerful, reliable bass. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review that helps you make smarter buying decisions. Got questions or want to see this amp tested with specific subwoofers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.